Let's learn natural English.
Examples.
Are y'all ready to leave for the beach right now? I hope y'all enjoyed the barbecue party last weekend. Y'all should visit us again during the summer holidays. I'ma take a quick shower before dinner starts tonight. I'ma call you later after I finish my homework. I'ma buy a new laptop as soon as I save enough money. She couldn't finish the entire project in only one day. They couldn't known about the surprise party beforehand. I couldn't imagine such an incredible situation happening to us. You shouldn't spoken to your parents in such an angry tone. You shouldn't spoken to your parents in such an angry tone. He shouldn't driven home after feeling extremely tired last night. I would not have accepted the job without discussing it with my family. She would not have traveled alone without carefully planning the entire trip. They would not have stayed there if the hotel had been dangerous.